Yes, video number 2. And put if root a minus x upon a plus x and root a plus x upon a minus x is that, then put x is equal to a cos theta. That is video number 2. Video 2. So we discuss example 6. Put x is equal to sec theta, that is cot inverse 1 upon sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, so tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So that cot inverse 1 upon tan square theta, square root of tan square theta, that is tan theta, and 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. So it is remove cot inverse function from cot, so it is equal to theta, and put the value of theta from here. Since x is equal to sec theta, so theta is equal to sec inverse x, which is required simplest form. Example 7. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. So we can take LHS and use the formula identity tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So tan inverse x plus 2x upon 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x into 2x upon 1 minus x square. Taking LCM 1 minus x square in numerator and denominator. So x into 1 minus x square plus 2x upon 1 minus x square upon denominator 1 minus x square into 1 minus x into 2x, that is 2x square upon 1 minus x square. Cancel the LCM 1 minus x square in numerator denominator. So it becomes x minus x cube plus 2x upon 1 minus 3x square, that is tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. We know that tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Next, example 8. Find the value of cos sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to. So we know that value of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. These three formulas are there. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So now we discuss about exercise 2.2. Before starting the exercise 2.2, we derive a formula 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1, which is also equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. ये हम एग्जाम्पल में प्रूफ कर चुके हैं एग्जाम्पल 3 में. So put let cos inverse x is equal to theta, so x is equal to cos theta, and use the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos theta whole square minus 1. Put the value of cos theta is equal to x, so cos 2 theta is equal to 2x square minus 1. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Put the value of theta, which is equal to cos inverse x. Hence 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. You have to use this as a formula. ये भी आप formula की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. Now we start the exercise 2.2. Question number 1. First question is given 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x upon 3 sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, where x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 1 by 2. So first question, 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. We know that a formula of sin 3x, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So put sin inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to sin theta, and use this formula. So sin 3 theta, in sin 3 theta put sin theta is equal to x in this formula. So sin 3 theta is equal to 3x minus 4x cube, and 3 theta is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, and theta is equal to sin inverse x. So 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x. Next is 3 cos inverse x. You can do same. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. For this, use the formula or identity. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos क्यू थीटा माइनस 3 cos थीटा. इसे आप अपने आप कर सकते हैं. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में यूज करना है फॉर्मूला tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y. tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y इज tan इनवर्स x प्लस y अपॉन 1 माइनस xy, where xy is less than 1. Question number 4. Question number 4 also you can do 2 tan inverse x, that is 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 upon 70. So first we use 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So therefore 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4, that is cancel to tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus 4, that is tan inverse 4 by 3. So use tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now you can do tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So आगे आप इसे कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. From question 5, these questions are simple, convert in simplest form. From question 5 to 10. Note, question 5 to 10, you have to convert in simplest form. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में आप इनको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 5, tan इनवर्स रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स, वेयर एक्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. सो पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा, वी डिस्कस्ड ऑल्सो. सो रूट 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज sec स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन tan थीटा. That is tan inverse root sec square theta, square root of sec square theta is sec theta. So tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Convert sec theta and tan theta in form of sine. So tan inverse 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta upon cos theta. Take LCM, that is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta. LCM cos theta is cancelled. So now you use the formula of, since cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, so 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, and in half angle in half angle 2 sin square. Similarly cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Therefore 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. and sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x in half angle, therefore sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So use these two formula in this question. Therefore tan inverse 1 minus cos x, that is 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cancel 2 sin x by 2. So tan inverse, that is sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, which is tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan x by 2, that is x by 2, which is simplest form. So in homework you have to do the questions 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये आप होमवर्क में करेंगे.